2018 600 Backcountry XM chassis, installing tunnel protectors. Finally got the right kit. The first thing you have to do, remove your snow flap, and your tail light. Tail light, you just take these two small bolts out here, and then it just clips off. Real easy, like two small bolts out, and then that comes off. Unplug it, and that's done. Snow flap off, gives you access to this T channel right here, or C channel, whatever it is, where your tunnel protectors go in. Fairly simple once you get the right kit, and I'll link the actual part number in the video. The XM chassis, I think, is stopped in 2018, and only for the 600 Backcountry. Then it went to Gen 4s. Gen 4 is a completely different kit, which is the kit I ordered first. That's the wrong part number. So these come long enough that if you wanted to do a summit, you actually could, because it's the 146. So that slides right into that, like so. And as you see, it's quite long. It needs to be cut off. So I went under and marked it back a ways in order to give it some room to crimp the end so it don't slide off. So I cut those two to length, slide them in, and you should be good to go. Real simple once you get the actual part number. BRP's website is not very helpful with that. It doesn't tell you on this part number that what the length is. It just lists for 127 to 137 inch sleds, or 121 to 137 rather. So it's kind of an unknown until you get it, but these will do up to a 154 by the looks of it, with that excess sticking out. So again, cut them to length, kind of crimp these ends a little bit to stop them from sliding off. Once your snow flap and tail light is on anyway, they can't get out, but just kind of to stop them from rattling a little bit. You wouldn't have to take your skid out for this. I got my skid out because I wanted to do the wheels and slides and all that other stuff for maintenance anyway, as well as I did put the eye-grip studs in this track. That's the whole reason for the tunnel protectors. And what is it? The eye-grip ST. Anyways, these are the ones that's listed for that track. Simple breeze to put in, screw one in every hole, and you're done. And that's it. Hopefully this helps somebody out, because I searched the internet up and down for instructions on installing these and what part number to get. I bought the wrong part number first, and of course with shipping returns and restock fees, it doesn't pay to send it back. They will fit on my 850 or any Gen 4 chassis, so I'll just keep them and use them or sell them or whatever. But yeah, pretty simple. These also come with an aluminum bracket that you can put in there. I think that's for the XS chassis. Okay, here we are. Everything all cut, installed. As you can see, cut the ends off here, and to crimp them shut, just simply put a pair of vice grips on them and give them a little crimp on the end. You can see right there. Just give them a little crimp enough that they won't slide back out. They go in there fairly tight anyway, and that's really all you need to do. I say I cut them just a little bit short to give me clearance to get my bolts and stuff back in there. Track's really not going to come back that far anyway. And here is the final install. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you could do this pretty easy with your skid in. And also in the instructions it says to take this back bumper off. I didn't have to. I had lots of room to drill out my rivets from my snow flap, and lots enough clearance to slide them in. As you can see, the bar doesn't get in the way of the hole. It's clear there, so save you some time on that. I know the instructions page shows you to take these off, which you may have to do in the XM or the XS chassis, but this one you don't. Save you some time there. Overall, pretty easy. Pretty happy with it. Awesome. Thanks.